Hi, how are you, my friends? Today we will explain how to highlight a line chart for values under and below a certain value. For example, here for sales below $60,000, any total sales that's below this value will be marked with red. As you can see here, we have a reference line with this value. So for example, let's say here I needed 35,000. The reference lines will change and the red lines will change accordingly. How can we achieve that? Very simple, very simple. We have here our data, we have 5 tables: sales rep, we have product, orders, location, and customers. We create table, and this is my model fact table, and these are the dimensions table. Okay. First of all, we will build our visual like this. Let me, for example, remove this, and I will remove the reference line. Okay. We will drag total sales measure, nothing but some order sales, to the y-axis, and we drag the date to the x-axis, and here we have it according to the month or quarter. Whatever we want, we can achieve this one. Okay. So but this is by month, and we have the line chart for the sales. From modeling, we will go to the new parameter, numeric range. We will create a table. It's called sales filter. Whole number, from minimum number is 5,000 to, for example, 500,000, with increment of 5,000. Default will be 95,000. We will create, add slicer to the page. Then we will have like this. Make some formatting as single value here for the slicer setting. And we will make another measure called filter sales. In filter sales, we will put this conditional. If the total sales is less and below sales filter, for sales filter value, this is the sales filter, we made it by parameter, and here the sales value. This is the table we created here. So whenever it's the total sales is below and equal to the value we put in the slicer, take total sales. Otherwise, take blank. We will now take this visual, drag this measure. Let's change the red to the color to the red. Okay. Let me put here reference line as y-axis, and here I will take the sales filter value. Okay, let me pick it like this, more transparency and shaded area with more transparency with, let me see here, and let me put it here, and I will make data label here. That's it. Now it's okay. Let me put it here as 50,000. Then everything will be changed like this one. Let me put it here. Assembly. Okay. Here. Behind. Okay. Now it's okay. And now I can get my line chart formatted according a special value that I can dynamically change it to whatever value I need. I hope you get benefit from this tutorial. Any comments, please don't hesitate to write it down. Please subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. Thank you a lot. Bye-bye.